Valerie, what are we doing?
Jim has a mission today. He's looking for Gouda.
The cheese.
Gouda.
Gouda cheese.
He's looking for cheese. Cheese. All kinds of cheese.
Go hunting.
I'm looking for one kind of cheese. Lavender goat milk.
Yum, yum.
Okay.
This is our neighborhood.
Our neighborhood.
This is our neighborhood.
I live here now.
We live across from a basic school, which is a preschool, elementary school.
It is considered the museum district. I said 1 block, but it's like 2 streets over.
Right.
Really, it's just, you can get to the Van Gogh in like 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Not even.
They're doing some shoot. For a commercial, I bet. Or news. Don't know.
That place looks closed down.
It's the Apple.
Love Apple.
Burger King. Burger King. City Theater. Let's hear. Where are we going? Which way are we going?
That way.
That way. Bulldog. Mad Dog.
Bulldog.
The Bulldog. The iconic smokehouse.
You don't go there.
No. We do like to sit at that cafe, or we did. Oh, yeah. That cafe over there, you usually watch people walking. So, yeah.
You want to go through?
Do they have your cup?
They have one.
They have the Netherlands and Amsterdam. Let me see. Oh, yeah. So which ones do you have?
I don't remember. I think I have France, Nice, and Spain, maybe. Maybe. No. I'm missing Belgium.
Yeah.
Because they didn't have it when we were there.
No. There's the cheese store.
Oh my gosh.
There's the cheese store right there.
I can't take this man anywhere.
Oh my god. Cheese. Yeah.
He's gonna get like 18 pounds of cheese. That's Costco.
Alright, 18 pounds, that's my limit?
I don't know.
Oh, we were already just looking at luggage just for cheese.
Just cheese luggage.
Just the cheese bag.
Luggage, yeah. Want your cheese?
Oh, we made it. Yeah, look at that. All these little packets. They got the threesome. Herbs and garlic, black truffle, and the baby Gouda. Oh yeah. Beer. Oh, coconut. Organic garlic. Oh, they got new ones. They got new ones.
Okay.
Coconut.
Okay, just put that away.
Look at that. Yeah. I love my cheese. Alright, so my little heart's just going 900 miles an hour because I got almost almost 50 euros worth of cheese.
$100.
Okay, so I under.
Wait, we're going the wrong way.
Yeah, that's going back towards the room. Pandora. Yeah, not as good as the cheese.
And cut through and see if that restaurant's open that we went to.
Yeah, let's go do that. We got fiery neighbors. Touch it and rub your eyes.
How you keep
The other table from reaching over and grabbing your food.
because that's a different restaurant over there.
Oh yeah, we're at the pizzeria restaurante. Okay, so I haven't tried this one. This is an Italian beer. And it is 9% alcohol, like the one in Ghent that I had, and it's a golden color. Pretty looking. Valerie got
Pasta.
pasta. What?
Like,
Are you drinking wine?
Yeah, in your Grigio.
Grigio. All right. Got pasta. I got a calzone.
Spicy with garlic. chicken butt.
Oh yeah.
Oil.
Yum yum.
You want my extra?
God. Yeah.
It looks spicy.
Oh, it looks a little spicy.
I was expecting it to dried pepper.
Oh yeah, the little red flakes.
I was expecting flakes, not.
Yeah. You got red and green. Oh yeah. I imagine those oils are going to be good and hot. I got the pizza. And the crust is close. So, yeah. Let's see, what do you think?
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what? It's just what I wanted. But the sad thing is that that spicy pasta from Celebrity Cruise still was like so good. It's like the best pasta I've ever had, and that's like sad because it was a cruise.
All right. I think it was it was pretty good.
I liked it.
Yeah.
It was good.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
happy with the lunch.
Oh yeah. All right, so we made a big circle almost.
Yeah, now we're gonna head through this way to
Through
the
the-
museum, and then that's where our hotel is basically.
Yeah. And we're gonna wind up probably over. Well, we should wind up over by the park where the market was.
Yeah, we will.
So,
Yeah, we will.
and the Amsterdam sign.
No, it's not there anymore. They moved it.
Oh, they moved it.
Remember?
Yeah.
You're bad.
I'm bad. Well, let's not get ran over by a bicycle. Right?
Yeah.
Right.
It was here the first time we were here. The Amsterdam was
Yeah.
here the first year we were here. But in 2020 when we were here, they already moved it. So I'm not sure where they moved it. I forgot exactly. It might be Central Station.
Right.
I'll have to look that up.
There's like awesome acoustics in here.
Yeah, there's a, what's that called? Accordion.
Right? That might be the same one from last night that was playing.
I don't know.
This is the entry to the Rijksmuseum. Right here. I think that's the exit.
See, that's how we figured out how to say that town we were in the other day, because it looked like Court something, so we were like, it's Rijks. So it's Court Rijks, and this is the Rijks Museum.
See? Right, correct. Here we are on another walk back through the Rijksmuseum, and we're gonna go just walking.
Just walking, looking for some stuff.
Right? Through the garden and
What do you want me to run?
run!
Bye.
Go, go, go! Run, Valerie. Run, run.
As close as running as I'm gonna do.
I know.
Did you get it? Did you get, wait, did you get it? Did you get me running?
I
That
got
wasn't
you.
even running. I don't have a supportive bra for running right now.
But their grass is pretty.
Yeah, you like the grass in
I love the grass in Amsterdam. King bites. Gotta look both ways everywhere you are.
Yeah, I don't trust.
Because, yeah, you'll either get hit by a tram, a bicycle, or get pushed into a crowd of people standing around. It happens.
Yeah, you have to stay like on your guard.
Yeah. That's a canal for you, folks.
There's some people on the boat.
Yep, on a boat in the canal.
You want to go on a boat ride?
Not really.
I don't either.
We did one in
We did
Ghent.
one in Ghent, and
It was okay. We at least did
we
one.
did two one year in
Yeah.
Amsterdam.
This street looks amazing. All the different types of buildings.
It's
It's what you see a lot of in Amsterdam and in Holland in general. A lot of different types of... Oh! Yep, there's a whole art. These little markets for bulbs, for tulips and Betsy's. Pretty cool.
I know, he kind of looks like my Italian George Clooney, but he's in Tuscany right now, and I'll have to look at the real George Clooney for a minute.
Yeah, it's close.
It's not close.
Making halva. Oh, coffee.
No, it's tea.
Tea?
Remember?
Yeah.
And you can also try this one. This is mango iced tea.
Okay.
Yes, you want that one? Yes, please.
Oops. It's good. Stroopwafel. You want some, Jim? That one?
Good for you.
You want one?
Get some home fries. Homemade fries. Yeah. And orange and Coca-Cola. They got a lot of fries.
Oh, sauce. I'm not gonna get no sauce.
I mean, alright folks. So, I got truffle mayo fries. Valerie got plain fries.
Truffle mayo is good.
Yeah.
My problem is they put so much on it.
Yeah. I like to dig around the side and let it fall in. Fall in.
It's good.
And we're heading back towards the room now. Gonna chillax. That's pretty cool. Going into that big mall. Psilocybin truffles.
What? That's micro dosing. Oh.
Huh. Interesting.
Grow your own mushroom kit.
Yeah. That building is awesome looking.
Apple.
Yeah. A lot of these buildings are really cool.